Good morning, guys. So this is my bike. So basically, the DIY quick shifter I made is this one. See this switch here? Yeah, that's the one I use for the quick shifter. So I put it in my uh, finger instead of here. So basically, what I'm doing is I shift, I upshift, and press the button same time. So when I step this one, I press this one also same time, like that, every time. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, every time, only in upshift. So this wire, where does this go? Okay, because this wire, when I press this one, it kills the power of the spark plug of the ignition. It kills the power of the ignition. Okay, so just like hitting the kill switch. But this is not wired to the kill switch, because this one, if you use the kill switch wire, it kills also the fuel pump, so that's no good. So instead of wiring here, I wired these two wires on the side stand switch. You see the side stand switch there? There's a wire there on the side stand switch. It's this one, the green. Yes, this green is for your side stand switch. Okay, so there's a two wire there. Two wire. It doesn't matter which wire you cut. So you can see here on the coupler, there's a two wire there. You choose one. It doesn't matter which one. Then you cut it. Okay, you cut it. And then the both end, you need to put this one. Yeah, this two wire, the end of this two wire, you connect it to the wire you cut. So if you cut the wire there, it will be two, right? So you put on the other end, you put in the other end, and then you put here on the switch. So this one is, I believe, this switch I use is a normally closed switch. You need normally closed switch. So when I press this button, what happened is it's disconnected. This two wire will be disconnected. So if you are on a gear, it's like you're hitting the side stand down. That's why the engine, the ignition is turning off. Yeah, so that's how I do it. So yeah, so this is a normally closed circuit. So when I press this, the side stand wire is disconnected. So the ignition is off when I press this. Every time I press this, it cuts off the ignition. So that's how I do my my quick shifter, DIY quick shifter. So yeah, you can do it also on your bike. I can put it also here, but I'm a little bit lazy. Okay, hope you enjoy. It's 3 years now since I use my DIY quick shifter. No problem at all.